Yeah, hi there and welcome back, and let us continue with our lesson and let us take a look on the concat operator over here. So image the emission from two or more observable without interleaving them. So if we take a look without interleaving them, which means that it will be on the sequence. So let's say we are combining or we are concatenating three observable over here, and which means that without interleaving means that it should complete after this first one completes, then it should go to the second one and then so to the next one. So whereas in the merge it was possible that it was the second one before the first one got completed. So on the concat, this first one should complete and then the second one will go and then the third one. So on complete should be called on each of these, then it will move on. If you take a look over here, it's similar to the merge. The merge operator is also similar. It combines the emission of two or more observable, which we saw previously, but may interleave them. So which means that which may interleave them, whereas the concat never interleaves the emission from the multiple observable. So that's the key thing that we have to take a look. So the order of the emission of this particular the value that we are observing is never lived. So first observable, second observable, and the third observable are in the continuous order. So let's take a look on the practical way how we can do that one. So first of all, I think we'll go to the operator and I will take this range. So let us make use of the range over here. I think that should be a better example. And I will just, okay, so I think that should be out of here. Okay, we have a merge operator, and let us merge and let us say that get num 1 to, let's say, 100, and here we get a count range from 1 to 100, and I'll just copy the same function and create another function from num, let's say, 101 to 200. So okay, so I think let's say 150, and then what we will do over here is from 101 to I want to get another 50, count is of the 50, and then let us create another function which says that the concat operator, and this should be of the return type of the observable of the type of int. And then what we will do is I will just copy this, and I can make use of a similar way that what we have done previously over here. I can make use of all the return type of the observable. So return the observable dot and concat, and if you take a look on the concat over here from the reactive X, you can see that it can take up to a multiple operator. Concat elements of each observable provides variant sequence into a single sequence of the element without interleaving them. And basically, if you take a implementation over here, this can take up to a four observable. We can pass over here, let's say get nums and comma, and if you take, we have a maximum of the 4 observable that we can pass: observable 1, 2, and 3, and the observable 4. It can take up to 4 observables, but since we only have a 2 observable, what we can do is we can directly concatenate for this one. So let me remove this one, and I can just make use of the get num1 to 100 dot concat with concat with. This is another certain that we can make use, but it will take only one argument over here, so we cannot pass a multiple argument. So concat with, I want to concat with this one, the 2 observable that I want to concat. And what does it actually says is change function invocation get expected. What does it concat with, and I'm getting over here, and I think we miss out the invocation of this function. Okay, that should be fine. And then we can go over here to our main activity, and I'll just copy the whole thing from here, and let us paste it over here down, and let us call that one over here as a concat operator. and then we get the int. And let us try to run this one, and let us see how it combines. And let's go to the logcat, and then we can see here as from 1 to 100 it's printed out, and then it's again combined from the 101 to 150. So this is the same thing that we done on the previously merge operator, but on the concat operator what it does actually is it can where it can guarantee that the sequence is in order. So first observable, second observable, and third observable will complete in order. Whereas in the merge, it doesn't guarantee that it may the get profile may be first and the get user may be the second. So it doesn't guarantee. So another thing that we merge also can take up to 4 over here. We can pass up to 4 observable over here, similar to the concat. But if you have just two observable that we want, then I can just make use of concat with, and we can just pass it directly the second observable over here. So I hope you guys got it. Just go and practice more about it, and we learn about the concat operator on this lecture. So let's meet up in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day.